Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to create free thumbnails for YouTube channel without Photoshop and editing skills. There are list of websites and apps are available to create a free thumbnails. I will show you how to search free websites in Google. Just launch any web browser and search free thumbnail maker keyword and click on search button so that we can see list of websites. Scroll down and click on Grillo.com website for creating a free thumbnail. Now click on create a thumbnail now button. Click on sign in link and select your Gmail or Facebook account for login the website. I am login using my Gmail account. Now login successful. Go to the left side panel, select template section, template button, and now select any one best template which is suitable for every video. Just you can search from the list from top to bottom. Select one template for your YouTube video thumbnail. Just I am selecting this yellow color template for making a thumbnail. If you not like any existing templates for creating a thumbnails, then we can design custom thumbnails with the help of existing templates. Let's see how to create custom thumbnails with existing free templates. Taking yellow color template for making a custom thumbnails. So we can delete existing image from the template, or we can add new images. We can change the background colors, changing the text formats, changing the text colors, and drag and drop the text areas, and you can add any designs. Changing the background color. If you want to select, first of all select the image first, then go to the fill section, the top of the page, click on that. Now you can able to see the list of colors. You can choose the color. Now I am changing from yellow to blue color. After changing blue color, now I want to change the letters. Okay, delete existing letters and add text free YouTube thumbnails easy to design. You can choose your different colors for text and different text formats. Okay, you can use any text color or any text formats. So type free YouTube thumbnails easy to design in 3 lines. We can decrease or increase the size of the text, fonts, background colors, text colors, underlines. In the left side panel you can see all options are available: italic, formattings, everything available. You can take options, right? You can look into each option and you have to make properly for every video. Now one section information completed, then go to the next level information. Just remove by existing text and update your required information just by play with Bundy. I am changing word keyword. Let's play with Bundy. Okay, this size also we can able to increase or decrease. A background image also we can able to increase or decrease. Just select one by one. You can drag and drop or you can increase the colors, background colors, bold, italic, underscore, underline, anything you can do it. Now I want to add different images and different symbols from existing templates. Make a custom thumbnail. Open one new browser tab and copy paste same Trello URL on the browser tab 2 and select one template, search and select one template. Just I am searching and selected pink color. Okay, so here delete everything except the part 2 image and background white. Just delete everything. After that select those two images and click on group icon, grouping, and now copy, Ctrl C, then go to that browser tab 1 and paste under our original thumbnail area. Just after that ungrouping and change the letterings. After placing the image, you can decrease the length of the image. After that ungrouping the image, rename the letters, just in, type your required information, remove the 2, add 5, just in 5 minutes. Add one more text area, just copy existing text area and paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and remove the existing text and add your required, just minute, just in 5 minutes. Okay, now I want to copy one more time URL, paste under new tab, choose few more existing templates, select one more template and delete unnecessary information from this dummy area and copy only your required information from this template. Just Ctrl C, delete all unnecessary information, just copy your required information from the tab 2, browser tab 2, Ctrl C and go to the tab 1, Ctrl V, paste here. And if you want to change the letters, watch now, right? You can redesign, using drag and drop and double click. Okay, you can change the letters, you can redesign using drag and drop mechanism. Now you can increase or decrease the existing image in changing the positions also and changing the direction based on our requirement. Copy URL one more time and create a new tab, paste under new tab, and you can select one more new design. You can select one more new design from the list. From this image, okay, I want to take few images. Okay, delete unnecessary things and copy entire your required area and paste under your original section. Delete existing image from your original thumbnail, that running image, just you have to delete using keyboard, delete and paste and drag and drop the new image from the tab 3 to tab 1. After drag and drop, we need to change the text. Okay, instead of 15, I want to only one part 1. And food hacks, replace food hacks, delete existing and type your own information, redesign professional thumbnails. And you can increase the or decrease in the length of the size of the text and background colors also. If you want, you can change background colors and formatting also you can do it and delete unnecessary information. The finally this section completed. In left side panel there are so many options are available. We will discuss one by one. First one, photos section. select photos link from the left side panel. Once selected, you can able to see all existing photos. Okay, if you want to use any existing photo, you can choose from the photos. If you want to use any video from the existing videos, if you want to choose any music, any animations, okay, you can go to the animation section. If you want to choose objects or stickers, go to the objects tab. You can choose, you can drag and drop some stickers. Okay, I am using new collection stickers from the object section. You can drag and drop stickers from the object. I am adding one more sticker or one more object. Wherever you want, you can just drag and drop. Simply drag and drop. Objects completed. If you want to use any animations, go to the animations tab. You can choose any animation, just simply drag and drop or double click. Wherever you want, just you can place. If you don't want, you can delete one more time. Okay, if you want to change the background, okay, go to the background tab. If you want to use any new text, okay, different text styles, go to the text tab. You can choose the required text. Finally, my files. So under my files, you have to upload your own photos. If you want to place your own photos, right, just go to the my file and upload from your computer your images, right. You can, okay, after upload, you can drag and drop wherever you want. You can just simply drag and drop and place your required images. This is the final step. Okay, wherever you want, just keep your images. Once design completed, go to the top of the web page, click on download button. Go to the top of the web page, click on the download button. Now you can able to see the list of file types: PNG, JPG, PDF. Okay, you can choose any one of the options. I am choosing JPG option, first one, and click on download button. Now it will be download automatically under your Windows download folder. It will be automatically downloaded under our Windows system downloads folder, and open, go to the top side, just open the downloaded file. If you like this video, requesting you to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon for more updates. Please like, share to friends and family members. Thank you very much.